In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you will be doing well. Let us learn phrasal verbs and prepositional verbs. Part 1 E. Meanings and use. Number 1 phrasal verb is bring up. Meaning: raise or rear, mention, uncover from obscurity, introduce. Sentences: his uncle brought him up after the death of his father. Please don't bring up the old topic again. The Discovery Channel brings up amazing things. He brought up a new theory that surprised us. Number 2. Bring down. Meaning: overthrow a ruler, reduce, make somebody feel emotionally bad. Sentences: people brought down the cruel ruler. If the government brings down the price of flour, the poor people can get relief. The news of his failure brought him down. Number 3. Bring off. Meaning: to succeed in doing something difficult, achieve, rescue or liberate. Sentences: he brought off everything that he wanted. They brought off the trophy of championship. The Navy brought off the people on the sinking ship. Number 4. Bring forward. Meaning: call up for consideration, introduce. Sentences: they brought forward a proposal for their new business. You can bring forward your scheme after approval. Number 5. Back up. Meaning: move backwards, copy data, support. Sentences: he backed up his car and escaped the attack of wild animals. You should back up all your documents before installing new Windows in your computer. He was backed up by his friends, so he got success in his business. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.